Hello traders, welcome to Dot Charts. Hope everyone are doing good. Let's see the market of Friday. This is Nifty's 5-minute chart. After the consolidation, the market broke down and it achieved the target. If consolidation happening, after get the breakout, the same level of consolidation will be our next target. The market has achieved more than the target because there is no any supporting zone or area other than the virgin CPR. Since the virgin CPR is down, market without any hesitation it came down. Same thing if you see in a line chart, you can see these are the consolidation. After the breakdown, retracement. From the retracement, there is a CPR. It's a double confirmation. From the CPR, it continuously fall down until the virgin CPR. But as per our trading opportunities, the CPR and previous day low was very near. So the trade between CPR and the previous day low is not possible. So we have to wait until the previous day lows break down. Otherwise, upper side, this first candle high should be breakdown. But successfully, 950 candle has broken the previous day low. So 950 candle is a small candle. So that's a good opportunity because after the entry, your stop loss will be very less. And the CPR is opposite your trading side. So without hesitation, you can take this. So 955 candle you will enter. Your stop loss will be above the 950 candle. Your target will be 1:2. The 1:2 is very close. Since there is no any buying zone or supporting level, you may go up to 1:3. The second trade is a reversal trade. If 155 candle exactly touches CPR or some trade happen inside the CPR and break up, then that will be the good sign of taking a reversal trade. If it is yet to touch the CPR, then we have to wait for the consolidation. The consolidation also happened. After consolidation, the candle is broken up, but it's a huge candle. If you take a buy order by 220 candle, your stop loss will be inside the virgin CPR. Your target should be on the previous day high. Since the stop loss is huge, better avoid it. Technically, this trade is good, taking reversal from the virgin CPR, but compared to your trading strategy, the stop loss should not be more. So we should avoid this trade. This is back at this 5-minute chart. Nifty's previous day candle has broken the consolidation, but here it took support in the last candle. So we marked the buying zone here. Market respected the buying zone. Exactly when it touched the buying zone, it printed a bullish candle. And why we marked 2 buying zone? We found some buying zones here. Even though there is a restriction here, like a buying zone here, previous day low here, again we made another buying zone because there is no trading opportunity in this area. Exactly, the market respected these both buying zones and the market played in between. If anyone take trade in between, the target may not be achieved. So whichever the area, the trade is free without any restriction, reaction line, breakout line, buying zone, selling zone, CPR, then that's the right place to take trade. Areas like these, we should avoid the trade to prevent losses. So in trading, especially in intraday trading, avoiding loss is the first priority. If you gain or not, that's okay, but avoid loss. Your capital should be on your hand. Since you play intraday, there are number of opportunities. You have to choose which is the best one. If you see for the opportunity, this CPR got the consolidation and 10-5 candle got broken the day's low. It's broken the CPR down as well as day's low down. This is a day's low. Exactly, it got down. So this is another confirmation that market is going down. We should wait for the some more better place to enter. For example, if you take an entry here, your stop loss must be above the CPR because this is a trade of CPR breakout. And your target should be next supporting level. Next supporting level is very near. Previous day low is 1:1 risk reward. 1:2 risk reward is very far away. The better place is here. When it touches the CPR, the 10-25 candle has printed a rejection from CPR. Once this candle completed, you can take a trade your stop loss will be just above the CPR. Your target will be in the previous day low. It has been achieved in just 20 minutes. Let's prepare the chart for tomorrow. Nifty's lifetime high is 18,600. Market is playing around 18,350 because this 18,350 is the previous swing high. Yesterday, market took a big support in the previous swing high. It was respected the previous swing high. But today, even though there is a good buy here, the previous swing high has been broken. Because after a rally, market is looking for some resistance. Since the target is near, it may go 18,600. Since we marked the current swing high, that is 18,442, we are not going to mark anymore in the day chart. See, current swing high 18,442 is still a star level. This reaction line we can remove, and this zone was a star level in, but on Friday itself it got broken. It is losing the star value. So the day's high, day's low will be changed. Here will be the day's low, and day's high is moving bit down. We can remove the zone also. We have to mark a reaction line 18269, but we give less importance for Virgin CPR. Other zones we can see in the 15 minutes. 15 minutes we need to have a small zone here. The lower reaction line, we have to mark the zone up to our current reaction line. So this zone may be helpful for tomorrow's trade event. Below the levels, we know that we have our markings. Once again, the levels 18,442, 18,353, 18,269, 18,062, 17,960 gap. And as usual, we consider previous day high, low, and CPR. That's all about Nifty. Let's go to Bank Nifty. So this is Bank Nifty's day chart. Bank Nifty already playing in an all-time high, So since 3 days, that too in the all-time high, it is showing a rejections. We should not prefer any trade between these rejection levels. Here day's high and day's low has been marked in Bank Nifty, and these zones we need to remove and adjust according to current price action. This zone still has some meaning. See the Friday trade. There is no change in this zone. Lower side, the levels are still persist since the market is playing above. Since the Virgin CPR has enough gap, and since all are happened recently, we need to continue the levels. This much is enough in 5 minutes. Let's mark some zone in 15 minutes. We can just do some correction in the zone. So this is a perfect zone. And here also we should make some zone, buying zone. This is enough for Bank Nifty tomorrow. The levels are 42623. Next zone is here. Below that, a buying zone, previous day low. And 4200 is the next important line, plus Virgin CPR. Then 41,938 to 41,983. These 50 points is a zone. Again, one narrowed CPR. Next, another Virgin CPR. This TradingView link will be sent to our social networks. To follow these charts and analysis, search for dot charts, DOTCHARTS in Facebook, Twitter, and Telegram. If you have any questions or doubts, leave it in the comment section. It will be replied soon. Trade responsibly. Thank you.